Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert rows and columns in Excel, add proper headings, and even use find and replace to quick update data. Let's get started. So I'm working on this spreadsheet and I'm realizing it's going to be hard to remember what each column of data represents. 47 watt, 160 watt. That's why it's super important to add column titles or headings. Let's learn how to do that. If I want to insert a new blank row above row 1, so all I have to do is right click on the number 1 and choose insert. Boom, a new row appears right at the top. Need a new column? Just right click on the column later, let's say column A, and choose insert. That gives me a new column to the left of the column A. You can also insert a column in between data. For example, right click on column D and choose insert. You will get a blank column between C and E. Pretty easy, right? Alright, now let's add some headings so we actually know what's what. So I will click here on cell A1. This is cell A1 and type student ID. Student ID, right? Student ID. And then I will press tab to move to the next cell B1 and type name. Tab and type tab again to C1. I'll type grade, and this is grade. Tab, and here I will let's put attendance. Of course, day attendance. Tab, and I will type total marks. And what's on total marks? Total marks. Server. Now when I press enter, any data looks much cleaner. I can actually understand what each column represents. But wait, some of the text doesn't fit properly, right? For example, attendance might look cut off. To fix that, I could click between the column letters, like between C and D, like here, and drag to make it wider, but yeah, or maybe between D and E, yeah. But here's a faster way. Click and drag across all your columns from A to E. A to E. So they are all selected. Then double click between any two letters, like between B and C. And just like that, Excel automatically adjusts the column which so everything fit perfectly. Here we go again, like that. Like from A to E, and if I drag like this, drag like this. I don't know why, but I think it's something wrong here. File this and from A to E, like this. Yeah, much better. Anyway, now let's say the grading system change, and all the students who scored 80 should now be 85. How can we update all those numbers at once? Here how. Go to the home tab and click on find and select. From there choose replace and I will choose in the box that pops up type 80, and in the find what field, I will type 80, then in replace with I'll type 85, replace all. Yeah, done. Done, right? Yep, done. Excel instantly updates all those values super quick. Now be careful, it might also change number that you didn't want. Like if you have, like for example, here's 15 and you choose replace and find what 15, sorry 15, and you type 66 for example, and replace all you say. Okay, so here you don't want this, right? You want 15, but for your work or what you have done, this changed, so I just wanna put 15 here. So yeah, so be careful with it. You just want to change here, but eventually the Excel will change here with it. So, and here a quick shortcut, instead of using the mouse, you can just press Control H on your keyboard. Let's open the find and replace window. Instantly great for keeping your hands on the keyboard and working faster. And that's it. Now you know how to insert new rows and columns, resize them perfectly, add clear headings, and use find and replace to speed up your Excel work. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more easy tutorial like this. See you in the next video, and as always, keep learning simplified.